Place the collar on the shaft of the opener. With a 3/8 inch wrench, securely tighten the 2 set screws on the motor shaft by turning the screws a quarter to a half turn after making contact with the motor shaft. Loosely fasten the mounting bracket on the same side of collar. If not already closed, close the garage door. Position power head on torsion bar and slide garage door opener, leaving a 1/4 inch gap between the collar and the side rail bolt. Use a level to align garage door opener. When the garage door opener is properly aligned, mark the mounting bracket holes. Remove the operator from bar. Drill 3/16 inch pilot holes at the marked locations. Slide the garage door opener back onto the torsion bar until pilot holes align with bracket. Tighten the 2 set screws on the torsion bar. For a hollow torsion bar, tighten screws 3/4 to 1 full turn after making contact with the bar. For a solid shaft torsion bar, tighten screws 1/4 to no more than half turn after making contact with the shaft. Use 2 5/16 inch and 2.5 inch lag screws to fashion the mounting bracket to the wall. Use a level to make sure the opener is square to the shaft vertically and horizontally.